Hi guys, welcome back to Home Trucks. My name is Priya and today I'm going to teach you how to make this viral paper Christmas tree. Let's get started. To make this tabletop Christmas tree, you'll need brown paper, a long sheet, scissors, a pencil, a ruler and some glue. First, we fold it in half and then we are going to fold it again. Fold it once more. And now we are going to cut it. We fold it once more. The purpose here is to get about 10 inches long piece of paper, which we are going to divide it every 2 inches. And here I have a template. Now I'm going to put this here and outline the tree. So you should have a base of about 5.5 inches with 10 inches of height angles, which we are going to glue to form a tree. Let's cut it out. While you're drawing your tree, make sure to have this joined piece of paper towards the inner side, so when you unfold it, there's a full tree. Next, you want to separate each of these tree pieces and start gluing. So you unfold the tree and put some glue at this peak, some at the first point, then third and the fifth. Make sure these are tiny little dots only. And now you put this back in its folded state. Now you may start to doubt yourself, but trust the process. And then we take our second tree and put some glue on the top of the first one. Make sure to join all the peaks. And when we join the first point, now we are going to go to the second and fourth. Put this on. Make sure to align the spines. And press so it glues properly. Now unfold. Put some glue at the peak. first, the third, and the fifth point. And this way you are going to glue all of these 3 points to each other, and this will look like something this. So let's glue the rest of them. Now, before we move forward, we are going to press all of this under some weight. I'm using some books so that the glue can dry and fix things together. So let's leave this for about 20 minutes and then we are going to do our final step. Once all pieces are glued together, we are going in with golden spray paint and just cover the edges and nothing much. So let's do that. Now let it dry and then we are going to open it up and make one whole piece. The spray paint has dried up and now we are going to open it up and glue this and this side. And here is our tree. Do you like it? Let me know if you try this at home and share your results with us. Merry Christmas!